Well, the company is already existing since long time, no? Since 1922. So we are close to 100 years of history. Of course, from the beginning, it was not for additive manufacturing, but we evaluate and we were all this time specialized in printing medias from the beginning. And it's still what we are doing today. We are based in Nantes. No? Nantes is on the west side of France, at the beginning of the Bretagne. So we are a French group, historically, and still today, all the production is based in France. We are exporting worldwide, but all the first product is produced in France. Yeah, I like this one. Of course, we want to do different than the competition, and we want to bring some more add values or some more specifics. And as I just said before, the group is specialized from the beginning in printing medias, and that means finally what is the material or the product you will find between a machine, a printing machine, and a print itself, or a support for printing. So the group is doing that since the beginning, and we have 100 years of history and expertise in that. So what we bring today on the market, above chemicals expertise, now we're also a chemical company, is a precise solution to bring one machine and one quality of print together with the link, which is the material. So that we are linking the two. We are not thinking first about the chemistry of the material. We are thinking first about how to get the best print out of the machines. So generally, we are in food and beverage. We are in electronics. We are in medical. We are also in defense sector, in many sectors. But we have today a specific position on the whole transportation and plane industry. We have a real position there, considering the material we have in terms of fire and smoke resistance and the high capacity of the material on the mechanics. I think they can expect to find our brand, which is kind of expert brand and specific brand for professional through really competent company as 3D GBIRE, which is also looking to build or to bring customized solution on the market. So I think yes. And that's also our goal. We don't want them just to have Kimya, we want them to have the good fit for their needs. So we expect that they can find through GBIRE and the Kimya brand the solution they need. We have this wide range of filaments that we bring to the market. But generally, we try to go even further on that, on providing service on the additive manufacturing market. And we are doing that through our Kimya laboratory. So we can offer customized recipe in chemicals. We can offer support in development on materials. That's before the filament itself, and after the filament itself. We can offer also, through the Kimya factory, an external capacity of production for the customers. That means producing parts. And that we are doing, of course, with our filaments, and that give to the end customer, which is buying parts, a full traceability on the parts, from the pellets to the parts.